called ContentBuddy.ai, and it makes me over $100,000 a year now, and I started it just a few months ago. Now, the way that this actually works is that it's powered by Gemini. So we could come over here and see the input, we could see the output, we could see the status, and we could see all the different times that this was run, and then we could see the input and the output. Now, what Stacks allows us to do is do two things. One, to evaluate whether or not the responses that we got from it were good, or two, we can actually compare with two inputs to see what the output is based on what kind of model you're actually using. So if we come over here and click on Open Prompt Playground right here, we could see that we could come in here and we can put an API key for Gemini, for OpenAI, for Claude, for Grok, DeepSeek, Llama, or your own custom, and then you'll be able to enter the same system instructions for both of these, the same input for both of these, and be able to measure different outputs that you get in order to determine whether or not Gemini, Grok, OpenAI, or whatever model is the best for whatever you're trying to do. Here's an example. So what you're going to want to do is come over into settings right here. You're going to see that this is where you can actually go through and add in all your different API keys. And if you don't know how to get the API keys, just click on this and it literally walks you through exactly how to do it. Okay, so we could see that I went through and added one for Google Gemini and for OpenAI. So I'm going to come back over here into evaluation projects. We're going to click on this sample project right here. And then we're going to be able to come over here and we're now going to see these selectors available. And on Gemini, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab Gemini 2.5 Pro. We could come over here to OpenAI and I am going to scroll down here and we are going to use GPT-5 right here. And then basically what we could do is we could come over here and enter the same exact system instructions for both and the same input, and then we could compare the outputs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to input the same exact message on both of these about creating a title for a YouTube video and then creating hooks. Now we could see these actually go through and which one does it faster, and two, which one does a better job. And if you're building out AI tools or you're just trying to get the most out of AI, this is what you should be doing right here, because this is going to show you which models and which LLMs you should be using not only in your tools, but when you create things.